Did you know that every single day, more than 250 seniors begin to lose their eyesight, all because of something they were never warned about? And here's the shocking truth. The problem doesn't start in the daytime. It happens while you're asleep at night. While you believe your eyes are resting, they're actually being slowly eaten away, hour by hour. But here's the strange part, the paradox that most people never hear about. Just 4 simple fruits before bedtime could help your body naturally repair retinal cells all night long. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, stay with me till the end of this video, because what you're about to hear could change your eyes and your life forever. And this is where the real question begins. If 250 seniors a day are losing their light, then maybe the real cause isn't age. It's something much quieter, something that happens while we sleep. Dry eyes, blurry mornings. But the real enemy is nighttime eye damage. When your eyes feel dry or a bit blurry in the morning, it's not just tiredness. According to the National Eye Institute, NIH, while we sleep, blood flow and nutrients to the retina drop by 25 to 30%, leaving those delicate cells under-repaired. In simple terms, every night that passes, your eyes age just a little bit more. Even with your eyes closed, a quiet process called retinal oxidation keeps going. The Journal of Optometry once called it a silent degradation process that accelerates retinal aging during sleep deprivation. It's not just lack of sleep. A poor diet low in antioxidants means your eyes don't have enough fuel to recover after a long day of blue light exposure, air pollution, and oxidative stress. Now imagine this. You sleep for 8 hours, but instead of recovering, your retinas are under silent attack. Harvard Medical School 2021 found that lacking lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin C at night can raise the risk of macular degeneration by up to 34%. You don't feel it day by day, but over a few years, you start to notice dryness, fatigue, blurry vision, and eventually, even recognizing your loved ones' faces becomes harder. But here's the good news. Your body is designed to heal itself when it's fed the right way. Scientists at the University of Oxford discovered that certain phytonutrients can activate nighttime retinal repair, restoring microcirculation and photoreceptor vitality. That means with the right fruits before bed, you can literally reboot your vision's self-healing process right while you sleep. So, if you've ever woken up with blurry eyes, dryness, or that foggy feeling, please stay till the end of this video. Because up next, you'll discover the 4 fruits that can help your eyes recover overnight. This isn't magic. It's just your biology finally working the way it's meant to. And that, my friend, is exactly why your eyes need a little nourishment before the night sets in. During the day, we do our best to protect our vision, wearing glasses, using eye drops, but nighttime, that's when your eyes truly get the chance to renew themselves. So, what are the nighttime foods that can actually waken your eyes' natural power to repair? Before we jump in, take a second. Drop your age in the comments so I know where you are in your own eye health journey. Now, let's not keep you waiting any longer. Let's begin this nighttime vision recovery journey with number 4. If there were ever a fruit made to heal you while you sleep, it would be kiwi. Researchers at the University of Oslo found that kiwi contains one of the highest natural concentrations of vitamin C, even higher than oranges. Just 2 small kiwis can give you over 230% of your daily vitamin C, helping to fight retinal oxidation while you sleep, one of the hidden causes of blurry vision as we age. Vitamin C in kiwi doesn't just protect those tiny blood vessels in the retina, it also boosts collagen production in the cornea, keeping the surface of your eyes moist, flexible, and comfortable. According to the Journal of Nutritional Science 2020, a daily vitamin C intake over 200 milligrams can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration by up to 33%. In simple terms, just a small serving of kiwi each night can slow down the aging of your eyes and support clear vision for years to come. Here's how to do it. Eat 1 or 2 kiwis about 30 minutes before bed. If the tart flavor isn't your favorite, slice them up and mix with a spoonful of plain yogurt. That combo not only supports eye health, but also helps you sleep deeper, thanks to the natural serotonin in kiwi. According to Taipei Medical University, 2011, eating 2 kiwis before bed improved sleep onset and duration by 42%. And remember, when you sleep deeply, your retina finally gets the time it needs to heal. Kiwi is just the beginning. It kickstarts the process of retinal cell regeneration during your rest. But the journey to restore vision doesn't stop there, because inside our eyes lies another quiet troublemaker, something called retinal microinflammation. This tiny inflammation is one of the biggest reasons for blurry eye vision, that heavy, dry, burning feeling so many seniors notice when they first wake up in the morning. Stay with me, because coming up next, number 3 is a sweet, refreshing fruit that might look ordinary, but it holds an extraordinary power to revive your vision, a secret very few people know. While kiwi helps nourish and soothe your eyes, black currants are the true warriors, fighting off those tiny sparks of inflammation in your retina that quietly steal your eyesight night after night. According to the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry, 2018, blackcurrant anthocyanins suppress retinal microinflammation and improve microcirculation, leading to better photoreceptor recovery during sleep. Put simply, anthocyanins, those deep purple pigments found in black currants, act like a protective shield for your vision cells. They guard against oxidative stress and help improve blood flow to the retina by up to 45% after just 6 weeks of consistent use. Nippon Gunka Gakkai Zashi, Japan, 2013. When circulation to the eyes improves, oxygen and nutrients reach deeper layers, giving your photoreceptor cells the strength to repair and restore while you sleep. Here's what you can do. Eat about 20 to 30 grams of dried black currants, or drink a glass of unsweetened black currant juice roughly 1 hour before bed. If you can't find fresh berries, try pure black currant powder. Mix it with yogurt or warm water. Researchers at Kyushu University, Japan, also found that a daily intake of 50 milligrams of blackcurrant anthocyanins significantly reduced eye fatigue and dryness after just 1 week. So when your eyes feel dry, red, or tired from looking at your phone or computer screen all day, black currants can be your natural refreshment, a cool, calming remedy that helps your retina recover quietly through the night. Black currants help put out those tiny fires of inflammation inside your eyes. Your vision has now begun its silent overnight healing process. But healing alone isn't enough. To see clearly, longer, and sharper, your eyes need to rebuild their photoreceptor cells, those little light antennas that capture every image you see. And that brings us to number 2, the fruit scientists called the elixir for the retina. In a recent 2023 study, researchers revealed that 99% of people eat this fruit the wrong way, losing almost all of its vision benefits. Stay with me, because the fruit at number 2 doesn't just help you see better, it also reactivates your eye's natural self-repair system, something modern medicine is still trying to replicate. If you found this video helpful so far, please hit like, subscribe, and share it with your loved ones or friends who may be struggling with blurry vision or other eye health problems. It's no coincidence that World War II pilots used to eat blueberries before every night flight. Today, science finally explains why. According to the Nutrients Journal, 2023, blueberry anthocyanins enhance rhodopsin regeneration and improve dark adaptation by up to 32% in older adults. In plain English, those deep purple pigments inside blueberries help your eyes adjust to the dark faster, especially during nighttime when your retinal cells need the most repair. Compounds like terastolbene and anthocyanins in blueberries act as natural antioxidant filters, reducing damage to retinal pigment epithelial cells, or RPE, by nearly 40% after just 4 weeks of daily use. British Journal of Nutrition, 2023. Even more impressive, a study from the University of Maine found that daily blueberry supplementation improved microvascular blood flow to the eyes by 25%. That means with just a handful of these little berries in the evening, you're helping your eyes breathe easier while you sleep, improving night vision, and supporting overall eye health. And here's a little insider secret almost no one talks about: the freeze-thaw trick. According to the USDA Research Center 2022, freezing and thawing blueberries increases total anthocyanin bioavailability by 35%. In other words, when you freeze and then thaw your blueberries before eating, the process gently breaks their cell walls, allowing your body to absorb more of their nutrients. Here's the simplest way. Take half a cup of frozen blueberries, let them thaw naturally for about 15 minutes, then eat them plain or mix them with unsweetened yogurt before bed. It's a simple, gentle nighttime routine that supports clear vision, helps relieve blurry eyes, and prepares your retina for deeper recovery as you rest. If blueberries help your eyes see more clearly in the dark, then the fruit at number 1 is the secret to helping your eyes truly regenerate during sleep. This one isn't just about protection or nourishment. It's about renewal, about giving your eyes a fresh start from the inside out. It's what modern medicine calls retinal regeneration, the true rebirth of your vision. And that powerful fruit is the humble papaya, a fruit so familiar, yet quietly holding the key to what I like to call the sleep that heals your eyes. In a study published in the Gerontology Journal 2023, researchers wrote, papaya carotenoids, especially zeaxanthin and beta-cryptoxanthin, stimulate mitochondrial repair in retinal cells during sleep, enhancing visual recovery overnight. In simple words, papaya activates your retina's natural self-repair system while you sleep. That's why so many older adults, after just a few weeks of eating papaya at night, begin noticing something wonderful. Their morning vision becomes clearer, the dryness fades, and their eyes start to feel naturally brighter and more alive. Just one small serving each evening can boost retinal recovery by up to 28%, helping your eyes feel sharper, stronger, and more flexible when you wake up. It's not magic, it's just biology awakening at the right time. When your body drifts into sleep, the enzyme papain in papaya gently breaks down damaged proteins and reduces minor inflammation around the cornea. Meanwhile, beta-carotene and zeaxanthin work like pure fuel, nourishing your photoreceptor cells and keeping them strong through the night. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition 2022, higher plasma carotenoids are correlated with up to a 41% lower risk of age-related macular degeneration. In other words, by maintaining this natural source of carotenoids, you're turning back the clock for your eyes, supporting long-term eye health and protecting against blurry vision as you age. Here's how to do it. Eat half a cup of ripe papaya about 1 hour before bed. Add a few drops of fresh lemon juice, rich in vitamin C, to boost carotenoid absorption by more than 20%. Food Chemistry Journal, 2021. If you're concerned about sugar, choose papaya that's just slightly ripe, or blend it into a light juice, still full of nutrients, gentle on the stomach, and easy to digest. From the beginning of this video, we talked about nighttime eye damage, how your eyes can quietly lose vitality while you sleep. But now you know the other side of that story. In that same sleep, your eyes also have the power to heal themselves naturally. Papaya doesn't just close the loop on nighttime damage, it opens a brand new cycle, the nighttime regeneration cycle of your eyes. Just imagine this. You wake up in the morning, open your eyes, and suddenly everything looks brighter, clearer, more vivid, without that old feeling of strain or blur. That feeling, that moment, is when you realize you can heal your eyes naturally while you sleep. And maybe, just maybe, this isn't only a journey of vision recovery, but a reminder that when your body is nourished the right way, it will always find a way to heal itself. From the fear of nighttime eye damage to the moment your eyes begin to heal in your sleep, we've walked through a journey, not just of knowledge, but of trust in the body's natural power to restore itself. Now it's time to feel that change, not just with your mind, but with your heart. Maybe you once had to squint just to read a restaurant menu under dim light. Maybe you avoided driving at night because the headlights felt too bright and harsh. And maybe each morning your eyes felt dry, irritated, and a little blurry, as if the light was slowly fading away. But now, with every small piece of fruit before bed, kiwi, black currants, blueberries, papaya, your eyes are quietly rewriting their story. According to the Optometry Research Journal 2023, regular antioxidant-rich fruit intake before sleep improved morning visual clarity and reduced eye fatigue scores by 27%. And as Harvard Health Publishing once put it, your eyes age slower when your nights are restorative and nutrient-supported. When you start nourishing your eyes the right way, you'll begin to notice the difference. Gentle mornings, clearer vision, and a renewed sense of energy. You'll smile when you realize you don't need magic and you don't need expensive surgery. Just one small habit before bedtime can give your eyes the chance to heal naturally. Start tonight. Slice a bit of papaya, a few blueberries, or maybe just a ripe kiwi, and watch what happens after a week. Because you're not just eating fruit, you're feeding your vision back to life. Imagine this. You open your eyes one morning and suddenly everything looks brighter, sharper, clearer. No more squinting, no more blurry vision. That moment, that's not just better eyesight. That's hope coming back. Starting tonight, you have the power to fight back. And maybe that power isn't just in your eyes. Maybe it's in your patience, self-love, and belief that healing always begins with the smallest acts of care. According to The Psychology of Sharing, New York Times Insight, 2022, people are more likely to share health content that offers hope and practical change. And hope, that's exactly what this video wants to give you. Before you go, take a moment to think about this. If your vision suddenly got 30% clearer overnight, what's the first thing you'd look at? Write your answer below, and let's share the light, the hope, and the gift of natural vision health with as many people as we can. Because sometimes one small habit can open up an entire world of clarity and brightness.